Thank you to every single farmer and people that have been affected by land bank, that have been reaching out to me, having daily conversations with me, sharing your stories, giving me your information, because this has really made sure that our movement is just growing and growing and growing. But here are some feedback. So I've written to the board of directors. The chairperson of the board replied to me yesterday, said that they've received feedback. They are going to look into it. They've also considered the SIU report that's lying on the President Cyril Ramaphosa's desk, and see how it's affecting land bank. So thank you very much for taking this journey. But for us to make sure that we end this systematic problem and a collapse within the Department of Justice, we need your help. So please, in this Google form, let's share it. If you've been affected by land bank, make sure that you fill this in so that we can build data, so that we can put the dots together, so we can see who are all of these people that are responsible. If you know of anybody, if you have multiple cases, please make sure that you fill in multiple times. But let's just make sure that we have the data so that we can show what is wrong and why land bank needs to fix and make sure that they work for the farmers and then the upcoming farmers, and then we'll make sure that they're where they want to do rural development, and make sure that we have farming and agricultural community that make sure that feed our nation, grow our economy, export more. We need the information. So please make sure that everybody you know that was affected fill in this Google form and it gets back to us.